Welcome back to Innoven Foods. Today I am making a flavorful and creamy anda masala, a quick egg recipe that's perfect for lunch, dinner or even tiffin. Let's get started. First separate one egg white. And season it with a pinch of turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt. Mix well. Now take 2 boiled eggs and cut the eggs into pieces. Egg masala or anda masala is a popular street-style dhaba dish across India. Eggs provide complete protein, making this meal filling and balanced. Add 1 tablespoon oil, 1/4 cup onion, 2 cloves of garlic, half inch ginger, 2 to 3 green chilies, 2 tablespoon coriander leaves, and 5 to 6 cashew nuts. Roast for 2 to 3 minutes. Now pour in a blender. Add 3 tablespoon water. And blend into a smooth paste. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil. And dip the boiled egg pieces into egg white. And fry until golden brown. Always fry the eggs lightly to lock in flavor. Now keep aside. Now heat 2 tablespoon oil. Add 3 cardamom and 3 cloves. Then pour the blended masala. Add half teaspoon pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon cumin, half teaspoon kasuri methi. Cook on medium heat. Kasuri methi gives a restaurant style aroma instantly. Cashews make the gravy naturally creamy. Add 2 tablespoon water. Cook until the oil separates. Adjust water depending on whether you want semi-gravy or dry masala. Now add 3 tablespoons of beaten curd and mix well. Keep the flame low when adding curd to avoid splitting. Add 1 tablespoon fresh cream. Now add the fried egg pieces. Eggs are rich in high quality protein and essential vitamins. Cashews add healthy fats for long-lasting energy. And cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Finish with fresh coriander leaves. Onion, garlic and ginger help improve digestion. This dish is perfect for kids and adults because it's mild and nutritious. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video, drop a comment and follow or subscribe to Innoven Foods for more delicious homemade dishes.